Hello, this video explains how to draw a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon bounded with 6 equal sizes. And this video explains how to use the inscribed method, the inscribed cycle method. The first step is for you to draw a straight line. So this is our straight line. The second step is for you to identify 6 centimeters as your dimension. So this is 6 centimeters. You locate any point at your cycle as your center, then you now draw a cycle. Once you draw a cycle, this point is your A, this is your point B. Now with that same radius, without altering it, you stand at point A, you cut an arc. You stand at this point, you cut another arc. You stand at this point, you cut another arc. Then you stand at this point, you now cut another arc. The last step is to link all the points together. So this is how to draw a hexagon using an inscribed cycle method. Remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share if this video is helpful. Thank you.